Welcome to a symphony of precision, where raw materials transform into everyday essentials. Witness the journey within. Every bottle's journey begins here, at the threshold of innovation, where quality control is paramount.
The first touch of purity. A meticulous rinse ensures every container is flawlessly prepared for its contents. A clean slate.
Purified water, precisely directed, removes every trace. This meticulous cleansing guarantees the integrity of each product.
Post-rinse, high-velocity air ensures absolute dryness. Every bottle emerges spotless, ready for the next crucial stage. Under intense scrutiny, human expertise ensures flawless quality. Only perfect bottles proceed, upholding our stringent standards. Advanced sensors meticulously scan every millimeter. No imperfection escapes detection, guaranteeing unparalleled product integrity.
Any bottle not meeting our rigorous standards is gently diverted. This ensures only excellence reaches the filling stage. Deep within these towering vessels, premium liquid ingredients await their destiny, maintained at optimal conditions. In the control room, every parameter is meticulously monitored. Precision ensures the perfect consistency of our liquid gold. Through sterile conduits, the essence flows, each drop meticulously guided, preserving its purity and potency. The moment arrives. Filling nozzles descend, poised to infuse each bottle with its destined. With exquisite control, the liquid flows, filling each vessel to perfection. A harmonious, captivating dance of automation. Every bottle's fill level is critically inspected. Our advanced systems guarantee absolute precision, batch after perfect batch. Seamlessly, bottles advance towards the capping station. This vital step safeguards the product's freshness and integrity. With mechanical poetry, each cap is precisely applied, forming an impenetrable seal. The tamper-evident seal, a crucial promise of safety and untouched purity, protecting our product's excellence. Now, the moment of identity. Bottles enter the labeling machine, prepared to proudly display their brand story. With exquisite precision, each label finds its perfect place, a visual promise of quality, a testament to our craft.
Every label undergoes rigorous optical inspection. Our commitment to flawless presentation is unwavering, a mark of distinction.
From individual lines, perfectly labeled bottles converge. This seamless integration prepares them for
Robotic arms, with balletic grace, arrange each bottle into perfect formation. Precision in every movement, every placement.
The journey continues with premium packaging. Each carton, a canvas of brand identity, awaits its protective purpose. From flat sheets to sturdy cartons, automation flawlessly constructs each protective package. Efficiency perfected for our products. Synchronized robots meticulously pack each tray, ensuring every bottle's safe journey. Precision, from filling to final packaging. With meticulous precision, each carton is sealed. This final closure guarantees product integrity until it reaches your hands. Boxes are precisely stacked by robotic arms, forming perfect pallets. A testament to efficient, scalable logistics. With precision, forklifts navigate the aisles, transporting finished goods. Each movement orchestrated for optimal efficiency.
The journey outward begins. A pristine delivery truck backs into the bay, ready to transport our quality products.
Carefully, pallets are loaded into the truck's interior. Each product secured, ensuring a safe and timely delivery.
With its precious cargo, the truck departs, carrying our dedication to quality across diverse landscapes. Our products journey onward, a testament to global reach and unwavering commitment. From factory to shelf, our product awaits, the culmination of precision, ready to enrich your daily life.
The final step, a consumer's choice. Every bottle, a testament to quality, now ready for its purpose.
From our factory to your home, the journey concludes.
a symbol of quality, ready to enhance your daily rituals.
I'm so glad we could all make it tonight.
Absolutely, to health, happiness, and togetherness. Cheers!
Subtle chill, the delicate condensation. A testament to freshness, promising an invigorating, delightful experience. Back in the lab, samples undergo rigorous analysis. Our scientists ensure every batch meets uncompromising quality standards.
Under the microscope, purity is confirmed. Every minute detail meticulously scrutinized, ensuring absolute perfection, batch after batch.
Our bottles undergo rigorous stress tests. Robotic precision ensures every container meets unparalleled durability and safety standards.
Every data point meticulously recorded. Our commitment to transparent, data-driven quality ensures unparalleled product integrity.
Continuous flow of excellence. Each perfectly packaged product journeys onward, a testament to our unwavering dedication.
Target achieved. A testament to our team's dedication and the seamless efficiency of our advanced processes.
The final touch of luxury. Each bottle cradled in bespoke packaging, reflecting its premium essence and exclusivity. Our embossed logo, a symbol of unparalleled quality and luxury. Every detail meticulously crafted for distinction.
In the studio, our products are meticulously staged, capturing their essence, preparing them for the world's discerning eyes.
Through the lens, every exquisite detail is captured. Our product, a masterpiece, ready for the world's admiration. From our studio to glossy pages, our product captivates. A testament to luxury, beautifully presented to the world.
Online, our product's elegance shines. A digital showcase, inviting the world to
Future of delivery. Our luxury products, carried by advanced drones, arrive with unparalleled speed and style.
Delivered with precision, the robotic arm gently places your luxury package, ensuring a flawless arrival at your door.
A moment of admiration. Our product, now a cherished possession, admired for its beauty and unparalleled quality.
Integrated seamlessly into modern living. Our product, a testament to design, enhancing every elegant space.
Every detail, a testament to craftsmanship. From cap to base, our bottles embody precision and enduring quality.
Our label, a masterpiece of design, tells a story of quality. Every word, every detail, crafted with purpose. In refined settings, our product elevates every experience. A touch of luxury, a symbol of discerning taste. Cheers to moments shared, to celebrations made brighter. Our product, a catalyst for joy and cherished memories.
Beyond standard, we offer bespoke. Custom engraving transforms our bottle into a unique, cherished heirloom.
The touch of a master artisan. Hand finishing ensures every special edition bottle is a unique, exquisite work of art.
A curated collection of beauty. Each special edition bottle, a testament to artistry and unparalleled exclusivity.
A seamless acquisition. The product gently descends, ready to be enjoyed. A testament to modern convenience.
This is incredible. To the future of connection.
Cheers to that, my friend. It truly brings us together.
Single drop, a perfect ripple. Our product's essence, pure and captivating, a testament to unparalleled quality.
Here you go, mi amor.
Oh, that is so refreshing. A toast to the perfect
day.
Cheers.
Beyond taste, inspiration. Our product sparks curiosity, a gentle connection to the wonders of creation and design.
Through a child's eyes, our factory transforms into a world of wonder. Simplicity, imagination, and endless possibility.
Look at that precision, son. Imagine what you could build with this technology. The possibilities are endless.
Years later, that spark of wonder ignites a passion. The child, now a visionary, building tomorrow's innovations.
Inspiration, innovation. A miniature robotic marvel, a testament to the enduring impact of a single factory's vision.
A prototype of tomorrow, born from a dream. The future of automation, now in the hands of the next generation.
At the science fair, a vision unfolds. The next generation of automation, inspired by the factories of today.
Cycle complete. The child, now a visionary engineer, pioneers the next era of automation, shaping the future.
The human mind, empowered by technology, envisions tomorrow. A symbiosis of intellect and infinite possibility. With a touch, worlds change. Holographic interfaces, a testament to intuitive control, shaping the factories of tomorrow.
A new era of production. Sleek robots, silent and efficient, redefine manufacturing.
Witness seamless perfection. A symphony of light and motion, where every bottle's journey is a ballet of automation.
Beyond the label, an embedded future. Our products connect instantly, offering transparency and unparalleled information at your fingertips.
Look at how the projections shift when I adjust the variables. The efficiency metrics are incredible.
From our factory, across continents, a global network ensures our product reaches every corner.
Every gluing dot, a destination. Precision logistics ensures our product reaches it.
Across serene oceans, our eco-friendly vessels carry products sustainably. A commitment to our planet, a promise to you.
From our factory to the farthest reaches of Earth, our products journey globally, connecting communities, fostering a shared future.
The journey complete, yet endless. Our product, a symbol of human ingenuity, connecting us all, one bottle at a time.